today we're making Cajun chicken with roasted sweet potatoes and steamed broccoli. All you need is olive oil, lemon, Cajun season, salt, pepper. I got garlic mince and garlic powder, and I'm gonna add a little honey to make it sweet so it won't be so hot. I usually keep the skin on because I believe in natural herbals. You know what I mean.
For the sweet potatoes, preheat the oven to 425 Fahrenheit. Dice the sweet potatoes and toss them with olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Normally, you'll spread them on a baking sheet in a single layer, but here's what I did. Instead, I just cut them into chunks, mix the ingredients together in a pot, and then spread them on a pan. The olive oil kept them from sticking to the pan, and they turned out amazing. Roast for 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway until they're golden and crispy at the edges. The garlic powder was new for me, but it added such a nice flavor that it was good. So like I was saying, adding garlic powder and salt and pepper to sweet potatoes was something very new to me. Like I never really added no seasoning to no sweet potatoes. Most I would do is vanilla extract, nutmeg, sugar, and some cinnamon. And I wanted to add cinnamon to that so bad, but I didn't know how it would go with the garlic powder. But like I said, it came out extremely good. Like I never had no garlic powder on no sweet potatoes, so that was new to me.
That's my favorite part. I love me some vegetables. Okay, I usually put Old Bay seasoning on it because it makes it so nice and seasoned. But I think I'm gonna just season it the regular way, salt and pepper with some nice little butter, you know, and steam it just right, not too well done. Even though I like a little moisture, especially if it's seasoned. But I'm gonna just steam it just a little bit so I can get a little crunch. Sweet potatoes, 25 to 30 minutes. I say 30 minutes. So they could bake nice and get crispy around the edges. Should have put some cinnamon, but cinnamon and freaking garlic, I don't know. Too much butter? I like it like that.
While the potatoes are roasting, pat the chicken dry and season it with Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, and olive oil. For the best results, use a pan-sear method. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat and sear the chicken for 5 to 6 minutes per side until blackened and cooked through. You could also use an air fryer and bake it at 400 to 425 for 12 to 15 minutes. But I wouldn't recommend that. If you want a perfectly cooked chicken, stick to the pan searing in the skillet, then finish it off in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes for the best flavor and texture.
Do you listen to the whole instructions when you're cooking? Let me know in the comments. Like if you're looking in a cookbook or something and trying to get the ingredients, do you go on your own vibe, or do you just simply just listen to see? Because most instructions don't have no type of taste or seasoning. Maybe that's good for you. I don't know. I love the water running, so I don't mind the water.
Let it get well done, blackened, and then put the oven on 425. And then you're gonna let it bake for 12 to 15 minutes. Let the chicken rest for 5 minutes before slicing. Plate it with roasted sweet potatoes and your favorite veggies. Top it off with a drizzle of sauce or squeeze of lemon for some extra flavor. And that's it, a clean, high-protein meal. You'll love Cajun chicken with roasted sweet potatoes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one as we keep pushing towards 1K subscribers.
Back. I never left, man. Yeah, Bino.